Media has been a familiar term in the society as on today. It has tremendous roles in the democratic countries like India. Before going into the detail of the roles of media in a democracy, let's understand very briefly what actually media is. In today's context, media is usually used for denoting news organizations or reporting agencies, but actually the meaning of media is not limited to the news organization alone. Media is the plural form of the word medium, which is the means or channels for communicating or sending something from one place to another. In this present context, the term media is the means of mass communication which is carried out through various tools such as television, radio, newspapers, cinema, internet, posters, street plays, to name a few. It is pertinent to mention that media is one of the strongest tools of reaching huge number of people within a very short span of time. We also need to know about various types or categories of media. Media is primarily of four types, such as electronic media or broadcast media, for example, television, radio, etc. Next one is print media, for example, newspaper, magazines, books, leaflets, pamphlets, folder, brochures, etc. Next one is outdoor media, for example, billboards, posters, banners, hoardings, folk songs or music, folk drama, puppetry shows, street plays, etc. And the last one is the new media, for example, websites, streaming audio and video, emails, social media, blogs, digital camera, online platforms, etc. Now, let us come to our main idea, which is the role of media in a democracy. What roles can the media actually play in the countries like India? We need to understand those very specifically. When we talk as media can, we are not going into the debate whether media has been actually playing such roles in practice or not. Now, we must remember that media is the fourth pillar of the democracy. Free, neutral, and active media can play very crucial roles in a democracy. Likewise, other political parties, representatives in a democratic setup. It has been quite possible for the people to be aware about most of the aspects of life and any happenings in the society or in the globe through the media. Media is also known as the watchdog, that is, eyes and ears of the society. It can work as a catalyst of social development. Apart from this, media can create awareness amongst public, bring transparency in the governance, carry out advocacy, facilitate justice, mitigate corruptions, facilitate equality and equity, so on and so forth. In addition to having too many positive aspects of the media, it has also several disadvantages if it does not function properly and ethically. We must also understand that biased media or polarized media can affect adversely or negatively into the society. Unethical media practices lowers down the stature of media and trust of the people towards media. wrong and unverified media reports can mislead the society towards a wrong direction. In totality, media can function dangerously in a democracy if it is not free, neutral, and ethical. We can conclude with the statements that media has the potential voice in the society which can bring desired outcomes or positive changes for advancement of the nation as a whole, because media can influence not only the society but also the decisions of the government to a large extent. It has also the power to set agenda or prioritize issues. Therefore, media must function under certain guidelines or set of rules to avoid its misuses. Thank you.